Hello, everyone. It's Ashley and Corey. We're going on quick today to share some exciting news that I feel like has been very involved with the YouTube community. So obviously, okay, well, the cat's out of the bag. We'll just get it out of the way. We adopted this sweet black kitty the other day. We've had her for about a week and a day or two. Mm-hmm. So she's still a little bit getting acclimated to the house, but she's been doing really, really good. She's a little black kitty. She's not cooperating very good tonight, of course. But her name's Gemma, Jemma. But she's been very good. She was very quiet at the adoption. We went to like an adoption PetSmart. They had like a foster day where they brought their adopted kitties. And so we held a bunch of them, but she was kind of like tucked in the corner, like not moving around, not meowing, not playing, not anything. Yeah. And so we're like, oh, she's really calm. And so we held her and she did really good. And then we brought her home.
The most vocal cat you'll ever meet. You can hear in the background. She just runs around. It's wild.
Yeah.
Completely different personality.
Yeah, she was like going crazy, but she's kind of mellowed out now that it's been a couple days. But yeah, when we brought her home, we were like, oh no, we got the wrong one. Like they gave her something to make us want to adopt her, and then she is crazy now. But no, she's actually been really, really good. But she's definitely very vocal. We're new parents, so we're learning.
Loves the Scentsy humidifier.
Loves the diffuser.
Okay.
And my decor piece is absolutely destroying everything.
What is she doing?
But she's probably playing with them. But she's actually been really good. And so a lot of you have asked and been very involved with this. So we wanted to come on here and share. I'm sure she'll be in plenty of videos coming up. But yes, I was going to say he's coming by one last time. She's a very sweet girl. Mm-hmm. You know, when no one's looking or paying attention, that she's going to behave.
What do you say, Gemma? Can you say hi to everyone?
Say hello.
Yep, there she goes.
Says, gotta go.
She said, I did my first